Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. Black MB text interior. Panorama sunroof. GLB 250 4MATIC badging. A clean set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, power liftgate, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, 10.25-inch instrument cluster, a 10.25-inch media display, rear view backup camera. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX system. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes." Turn heated seats on.
I'm switching on the seat heating.
Dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. The media screen is also a touchscreen. This GLB has 12,848 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 GLB 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmannimports.com.